سلام دوستا. در بریکم، در لانچ بریکم دارم میرم بیرون. میخوام برم یک رستوران. با من همراه باشید. منتظر دوستم هم هستم. دوستم بیاد با هم بریم. دارم میاد. Sorry. Okay.
Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, we're going there. I need something to put my phone.
Yeah.
I should crash. What? I know. You should drive.
No.
Past Yelling 6 Court and take a slight right toward Forest Haven Boulevard.
اوکی دوستان ما رسیدیم در این رستوران. این دوسته کرده یوش. That one just doesn't work. I want something around the flight. Coke.
And what kind of drink?
Coke?
Do you want any sauce?
Yes, ketchup.
Anything else for you guys?
I want the best flight.
It comes with the fries, right?
Yes.
It comes with the fries. That's it.
And what was the name?
Julissa?
It's going to be $26.21.
Let's look at the window. I want you to come into my video.
Right now?
No, when you eat. Do you want to come in my video?
A little bit. What do you want me to say?
Do it. Thank you.
Are you going to show it? Go in the back?
Do you want?
Let's just stay here. That's it. You just got strips. Why you didn't get a burger? While we're drinking.
It's okay. I just. Where is our thing?
Maybe it's, you don't see nothing there? You don't see nothing waiting there?
No.
What did you get?
This
Let me get a picture. No, for drink.
Coke.
Here. Give me.
I did it. I think we could take our drink.
Okay.
I'm going to get
Local pepper.
Lisa. She said, I will get I cooked it. Thank you. Which one's cooked?
This is mine.
This is good. Yeah.
Really?
She said that, but they say
But it wasn't.
this is barbecue. What is this?
That's sweet and sour, I think. Yeah. Oh, sweet and spicy. Sriracha.
I want to open some. How is that? Is it spicy? Can I take it?
You should.
This is spicy.
No.
I swear it's spicy.
Not spicy.
What is this?
That's good too. That's for you. Try it first. What if you don't like it?
It's trial. A little bit. Okay, just this. It's good. This is sweet.
It's made of fruit. Same. I'm just like.
It tastes good. It looks smoked taste. Something like that. You can finish. You know, when I went to the Germany, the people look not the. When you go, like, you know, the New Brunswick, it looks more Mexican community, right? Like that. When you go into the immigrant community, that part, that places, you know what they do? They do Uber driving with the Tesla. I swear you. All of them has BMW, Mercedes, brand new. Using bicycle to go for transportation, but the immigrant people, all of them has BMW, Mercedes, brand new.
Immigrants?
Yeah, immigrants. They
But
come
what kind of immigrants? Like,
from the Turkey, from the Syria, from the Arabic people, yeah, from the Albania, the Islamic country, yeah. All of them are immigrants. They are not the citizen people.
your sister became citizen already, right?
Yeah.
How did she become citizen?
You should stay there for 5 years, and you should work to pay taxes. You should learn the language very well. They take tests. You should practice 3,000 questions and to answer.
Oh my god.
It's too much. So, German is not easy like it.
Did your kids like it over there?
Market?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they like because the families are like, but I didn't like it. I didn't like the streets, the vibe, what you get from the place. When I came back, I feel I'm back in my home. I feel, yeah.
What does your sister do over there? What does she work? Or she don't work?
One is doesn't work, the other one is working nursing. The other one who looks me, she's the dental assistant.
And the one that doesn't work, how does she pay?
The other one who is going to get married, who is engaged.
Eat.
Whenever I'm going out to eat something, I'm begging who's with me to eat finish with me. Alright. If I'm with my kids, I beg my kids, please finish my food. If I'm with Lama, I'm
They listen to you?
yeah. The kids has more space to do. If Lama does something, he doesn't listen. He said, throw it up, throw it up. Of course, if you go there, you want to have some boyfriend.
Were they all white?
No, not yet. No. The American people, most of them are not white.
So how do I look?
But the skin is, yeah, the skin is wet. Like not blonde.
Hi, Sophia. I'm married. Amor. No, don't come this. I look crazy. Amaris. Amaris.
Oh, my mother.
Sophia.
Amaris.
Because I'm on my break, Sophia. Oh, Sophia, stop putting those ugly filters. Bye, you're making her cry. You see, why you calling for? Bye, Sophia. You're not?
My legs are.
Okay, bye, Sophia. Bye, old man.
Who's older? Mario?
Sophia with the filter. Did you check your
Fine. Please finish it.
Okay. Just throw it.
We pay for this.
Exactly. Eat it.
If you want to throw off, force me to eat.
Straight down.
Yeah, right? You should just go.
I got sleeping.
What time?
2:43. I mean 1:43.
Uh, Turkish in my language, in my videos. I know to talk Turkish too.
So why you don't talk?
I don't know, I just remember.
You should say I know how to speak 3 languages: English, Turkish, and what else?
Persian.
Persian.
Guys, I know how to speak 3 languages. I know how to speak Turkish, Spanish, English, and Persian. Persian is my own language, and I know how to speak Turkish too. And English is my 3rd language. Mexican is my 4th language. But I'm just learning the Spanish. Don't take that much serious my Spanish. What they call the I love you, my amor, right?
Mm-hmm.
My amoria. There was a song. Oh, do I'm burning.
It is. Turn it off.
I'm gonna choke. You better to record good.
Huh?
You better to record good.
I don't know because I could barely see you because of the light. Let's see.
My amoria. When my channel get popular, hold like this woman. When my channel get popular and they get rich by my channel YouTube, you know what I'm doing? I'm going to the dead places where is the
Poor?
poor people, they don't have food, the kids. I'm going there, I serve them food. Everywhere. In every country.
Oh my god, sorry.
It's true. So it's my plan.
That's nice.
Yeah. You know, it's one of my dreams. I love to have money and to
Gift
take
to...
care of the poor kids. They don't have food to feed them. This is my really wish, dream. Who knows? Maybe one day I become a rich person and they take care of them.
Keep dreaming.
Yeah. I really feel so sad and so. It's hurt me when I see the kids doesn't have food and they're starving. It's hurt me.
I know. I think everybody wants to do that, be rich and give to poor people.
But the who are rich, they don't really care.
Yeah, that's true. But sometimes money change people, you know.
Exactly. That's what I try to say. The money is good. That's give you more opportunity to help the other people, but the thing is, you should to stay like that to help the people when you get money. You know, the people just want everything for themselves. If they have, they want more and more. I'm like that. I want more. But I don't, if I have and I can give to someone else, if I can help someone else, I do. I'm not like that, oh, I have and I want.
More.
I don't want to give to the other people. I don't want to help the other people who needs help. I want more and I want to help them. Where we should go? We should go that way?
Just you're already here, yeah? You could have went straight
Yeah, we can go.
and go here.
Yeah.
Here.
This one?
Uh-huh.
Do you see the 99? There is a Chinese store. They have good fruits.
Yeah, I'm gonna lunch.
It's kind of H Mart, but not. I was planning to book my tickets for the next year to go to my country. I called my sister when they want to do the wedding. When is the ceremony? Where it's gonna be? She said she doesn't know yet. So serious? You want to tell me the last minutes? Just tell me where should I go, okay?
Yeah, just go straight.
I'm just going blind. If I book my tickets now, it's gonna be more cheap. But she doesn't know. For one time, she said she's gonna do her wedding to my country, and she said no, I want to do here in the Germany. I don't know where it's gonna be, and I'm waiting for her to let me know where she's going to get her wedding. I think that we should go, right?
You go to your left. Why? Did you eat so much?
Yes. You didn't hurt me. Fake. Oh, gosh.
For me, I'm better. Her not talking.